Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Renault Scenic E-Tech? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen for infotainment and navigation. It also includes intuitive climate controls and driver assistance functions for a comfortable driving experience. The clustered display provides real-time driving information such as speed, fuel level, and navigation guidance. It is designed for clear visibility, helping the driver stay informed without distraction. The LCD delivers sharp visuals for infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings in a user-friendly format. The climate control system maintains a comfortable cabin temperature by regulating airflow, heating, and cooling automatically or manually. The gear shifter allows smooth selection of driving modes, enabling the driver to control speed and performance with ease. The steering wheel provides control and quick access to audio, phone, and cruise functions. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator. Side light telltale. Main beam headlight telltale. Dipped beam headlight telltale. Rear fog lights telltale. Automatic main beam headlight. Left-hand direction indicator. Right-hand direction indicator. Airbag indicator light. Stop warning light. Brake circuit fault warning light. Battery charge warning light. Oil pressure warning light. Power steering system warning light. Auto hold system telltale. Warning light. Electronic parking brake. Gear change indicator. Electronic stability program. Non-availability of the electronic stability. Door status warning light. Anti-lock braking warning light. Particle filter system. Tire underinflation warning. Toxic fume filter system. Low fuel level warning light. Eco mode warning. Freewheel indicator light. Coolant temperature warning light. Speed limiter warning. Cruise control warning. Engine standby warning light. Brake pedal warning light. Assisted parking indicator. Overspeed warning light. Lane departure prevention. Lane centering system warning. Indicator of failure. Steering wheel warning light. Electro-technical system warning. Steering warning light. Electric operating mode. Active emergency braking. Non-availability of active emergency braking. Limited performance warning. Charging cord plugged. Pedestrian horn fault warning. Bad weather warning. Adaptive cruise control warning. Air conditioning programming. Charging programming warning. Airbag passenger off. Passenger airbag on. Low windscreen washer level. Automatic wiping function. Camera rear view function. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.